It's Mayor Sandy Brown from the town of Orangeville with a COVID-19 update for Friday, March 27th, 2020. Plank the curve. This week, the most important message to Orangeville residents is to repeat what the Chief Medical Officer of Canada, the Prime Minister, and the Premier are saying. Stay home if you can, leave for essentials only, and maintain social distancing of 2 meters apart. We are at a defining moment. We need to plank the curve, and we can do it. All levels of government have provided updated information and financial relief for families within their areas of responsibility. During these times where information is changing by the hour, your best source of information is an official source. Our Orangeville websites are always being updated with the most recent information and resources for residents and businesses, along with timely information and notices. Take the advice of scientists, doctors, and our Chief Medical Officer when she says the seriousness of the disease cannot be overstated. You cannot gather in groups or public spaces. Stay home as much as possible. Within days of receiving approval for virtual meetings, our IT department provided the tools for Orangeville Council to be one of the first in Ontario to run an electronic council meeting. We met online and passed a number of measures to help families. All late fees and interest penalties have been waived for tax classes of residential, business, and industrial for the next 90 days. Penalties on overdue water fees are also waived for 90 days. Orangeville Hydro has suspended account collection activities, including late payment interest, and the provincial winter disconnect ban has been extended for 90 days. This week, the province has started charging off-peak rates at all times. Orangeville transit fares are waived for 90 days. Riders, except those with the need of accessibility assistance, are encouraged to board from the rear door to reduce the risk to transit operators and further support social distancing. The winter parking ban has been lifted and regular on-street parking is permitted. There are amazing online resources available through Orangeville Library. If you do not have a library card, you can get a virtual card by requesting one at infolibrary@orangeville.ca. Let me repeat that, infolibrary@orangeville.ca. There are wonderful education programs, books, periodicals, ancestry.ca, and other programs to keep everyone busy during this time. For employees and businesses, the Ontario government ordered the mandatory closure of all non-essential workplaces as of midnight last Wednesday. This unprecedented closure is currently in effect for 14 days and will be closely monitored for new information. We know that some businesses have questions about their ability to remain open or to close. The province has launched a toll-free number to provide support to Ontario businesses and clarify essential workplaces. Businesses can call 1-888-444-3659 with questions or visit orangevillebusiness.ca for more information. The federal government has passed the Canada Emergency Response Package to support workers who have lost their income due to COVID-19. This new benefit will provide $2,000 each month for 4 months. How to access these benefits can be found again on our website at orangeville.ca. The province announced additional healthcare resources and support for people, jobs, and employers. More details of Ontario's action plan responding to COVID-19 and other information will come in the days ahead. These are unprecedented times, and our actions today mean everything for the safety of our community. During this time, you can ask questions of council and staff by emailing customerservice@orangeville.ca. Council has also asked for an interactive question and answer page on the town's website. The clerk's office is working on a format for public engagement for our next council meeting on April the 6th. More to come on that next week. All councillors are available through email or telephone. Their contact information can be found at orangeville.ca. Many thanks to town staff as they navigate through these tough times. Town staff are making sure that all essential services and infrastructure are working. Let me leave you with this quote from American Robert Schuller: "Tough times never last, but tough people do." One final thought: thank you to the frontline workers from the healthcare teams to the emergency personnel, doctors and more, essential workers, including town staff, delivery people, and the community volunteers who work with these groups. Happy Friday. Continue to stay home as much as possible. Let's plank the curve. Thank you very much.